Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. If today is the first time we say our program, but here we will bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, I'm going to start with today's news. Jose Mourinho and the Roma hierarchy, they're very disappointed in Maitland-Niles. Say the guy know they meet the expectation where they don't set for him. So for now, the guy don't live for Benjamin, he's not playing very well, so they complain, say they don't like us everything they turn out because they get many things they don't make this guy do for them. And in the past, we hear say Roma and Maitland-Niles, they'll be a perfect match. So I don't know whether the kind of philosophy or style of play Roma they play, when Mourinho they set them up, whether they used to Maitland-Niles. So the guy will not say one play for midfield. Now they don't even give a midfield birds, they're going to give a right back, and the guy said no even hold that right back as the own main position. So I don't know how this guy future will be. At the end of the summer now he's returning back to Arsenal because he's supposed to be a loan with an obligation to buy or an option to buy. But now they know they're willing to even take the guy at all. So he will come back for Arsenal. What's going to be the way forward? I never know. And when he come back, I will let you know. One of our super pundits, where they call Zion Dublin, don't come outside, call the talk, say Arteta na the right man for Bukayo Saka amid the interest wey Liverpool get interest. But I know say your club say don't come outside openly talk to Saka na very nice player. People they talk say Saka na go be the heir to the throne of Salah. So na go replace Salah in the future. We never know how true this one be. So Dion the talk say it go make sense when Salah still remain for Arsenal because Arteta na the right manager to bring am, to guide am on his path to greatness. The guy still young, making no reason to go anywhere, making him stay here and enjoy himself. On my way from that, because they say PSG don't cool off their interest on Arteta. You know, say PSG be the reason say they won't carry Arteta as they put Arteta for their 5-man short list to replace Mauricio Pochettino. So what will the year now be say Pochettino don't talk say he won't stay one more year for PSG there. Maybe see whether he will run 1 or 2 because the Champions League then if I even this season itself after Madrid just knocked them, they just flop anyhow. The yesterday they lose their 3rd away game, as in back to back 3 away defeats. And this is the first time when they don't experience that kind of thing since 2019. You get when Mbappe play, Neymar play, everybody is supposed to play. Mauricio Icardi play. Even at Donnarumma they for post. Small Monaco knocked them 3-0. I watched the match, I don't feel cry. Team pay me because some of my friends play bets now, so I can't help them. They watch them together. Shock everybody. Gabriel Agbola also don't come outside for pundit duty because they talk about this Arsenal celebration for Aston Villa. So when they reiterate the same thing way Ashley Young talk. So they don't talk say Arsenal over celebrate as everything happen. They celebrate like say they win Champions League, no be able to qualify like say they win Champions League. So you don't understand that kind of celebration. Which one be that one now? Which they say after the match all of them are waiting for midfield. They will dance with the fans, they will celebrate like say now we walk up. So but once we all these pundits, most people don't understand me say it's been a long time, like the bond between the fans and the players, the camaraderie, the happiness, everything. And from where we are coming from, people don't talk down on us, they don't underrate us, underestimate us, many things they don't talk about us, so we don't like. That is why if we win like this, we know where we are coming from. I remember saying, I don't talk, say each game now cup final, now do or die, we must win at 3 points or nothing. That is why when we collect the 3 points and we fight for them, we collect that 3 points, we celebrate, we go happy, say yes, we worked for it and we are getting closer and closer to our goal. So maybe they cut off some slack, for those who complain say we celebrate too much. That yesterday comment wey Martin Keown make, this thing don't cause some kind of controversy. Some people dey in support, some people dey against. Some people come and say I can't interpret am say na mind games. Me I come and say I say me I dey take the guy literally for wetin he talk. And see, you know what is the boss mind bring? Because I get some kind of disagreement with some people who dey talk and say no be mind game, something na mind game because they give points for and again. So wetin the boss mind bring be say somebody come outside from media setting, give him own opinion which he is entitled to. He talk wetin he feel say go happen and he give him reason. He say Arsenal no go enter top 4 and this is the reason. He point out Conte. Say Conte na a better manager than Arteta, is a serial winner. He come point out Harry Kane, maybe number 9. We will not get number 9 now, we get number 9 with the boss net. Some people now, when they interpret and say, na mind game. Shey na you be the guy, but say come outside give you reason, say na COTV. Una dey it's just dey laughable. I just dey laugh that yesterday. It's just the boss now. Now una go help and the interpreter. Now we English speak, na dey interpret the English. But they make me laugh. Whether na mind game, no be mind game. At the end of the season, we know how everything will solve. Atletico Madrid sef don make offer for Sergio Roberto of Barcelona ahead of Arsenal. You say Arsenal sef dey interested in this guy So one carry am out for our defense, make come play right back for us. But now we say Atletico don rush because the guy get injury, get long-term injury, and even though Xavi plan, because Xavi don get players wey dey ahead of am, because wey dey play that right back. So I never know how e go be. Some Atletico don rush, and we sef, I no forget say we need right back o. The reason Sergio Roberto, the reason Tariq Lamptey, and get one other player wey dey reason also. I think Selik of Lille. Then I never know how all this will turn. At the end of the summer, we will know who will be our right back replacement. Like as Tomiyasu no dey now, then Sergio Suarez will dey. I guess we need to get like 3 right back because next season Europe sure. So we need to get 2. See now, Tomiyasu no dey, na Cedric dey suffer. What is something gonna do Cedric now for? That's why we need another choice. And don't forget to subscribe to GFL TV and subscribe to CHUKS Arsenal TV on YouTube. So as you watch our show for YouTube, if you never subscribe, what is the wait for now? I will fight you. Subscribe to our show and make our community dey grow further and further. And you know, so the more subscription we will get, the more YouTube will spread our content. We will get more and more reach. So make I don't forget, as long as the bad one our show, subscribe. If you know the bad one, free am. But if you don't say the bad one, subscribe. Our Calcio Mercato journalist, so that they call Matteo Moretto, don't come outside and let us know say no club don't accept say them go send £67 million for Darwin Núñez of Benfica. So as it stand like this now, everybody now just interested. Arsenal don't know the price, Man U don't know the price, so nobody don't send money. So okay, we are ready to pay that money and say it do okay for us. So people they plan to beat the price down. So as things they go, they will let us know, and if they let us know, myself I will inform you now. Reparo don't come outside again. So back on the repeat it when they talk in the past say make Arsenal make sure say they sign Yuri Tillemans of Leicester City. May they use and replace Granit Xhaka because from what he's seen, Granit Xhaka will spend many years for Arsenal. Maybe in the next 1 year, 2 years, to find square roots. They need a younger player to replace him. And Baba they talk say Yuri Tillemans that will be the perfect replacement to replace Xhaka. So you don't need left to Arteta and Gaspar with Garlic and other people who dey in charge. Say okay, who we go use to replace Xhaka? Is Yuri Tillemans good enough? So now their hand is good. For me, the guy is a nice player because part of what they talk say that Yuri Tillemans he get eye for a killer pass and it's a bit wide shot from outside net. Now in midfield we say we guarantee you goals, at least 5-6 goals per season. So make them sign out. At the same time, on a positive note, so Saka goal against Aston Villa, that be Arsenal 2000th goal you get for the history of Arsenal, and only 3 clubs for England that don't achieve that feat, like Manchester United, Liverpool, and Arsenal. Even Liverpool did 2002. Now they don't score for their career, so we say we don't enter 2000. Now very big milestone. So we are very happy for Bukayo Saka. We can make up the 2000th goal. We are proud of him. At the same time, on media sites, they're going to ask Mikel Arteta say, how far Baba? You know, say you be the complaint say the fixture list they too long, this one they too tight, this one that one. Say now if you say I don't play something like that, I don't really feel am. So what's he there to talk? You know, back on talk say, I be told na talk say we don't go really feel am because the boys go prepare. Say you know the boys will in the train. Yes, forget say the fixture list they congested. That one no stop them from preparing and performing. They go sleep well, they go chop well, and they go play the game at normal level. So they don't come outside, they don't turn up, they don't win. So it be so onto the next game. Still on the media setting, they're going to ask Arteta say, fans they chant your name. Say how does that make you feel? Like say they hear the fans, they mention your name, how it make you feel? Welcome to say that one goes to show say the fans don't they believe in waiting in, they try to always trust the process, they don't they trust the process, they believe in our philosophy and what we want to achieve. That is why everybody now don't join, they support it, not just him, they chant the players them too, so now what they want. So the constantly they ask Arteta say, how far now? You know say now be top 4 favorites now, so how you see as the top 4 they go. So Baba come talk say, say time still plenty get. Say may not forget top 4 favorite or no top 4 favorite. Say them no dey even a reason go all those angles you get. Say now game after game because 10 games now remain, and in football anything can switch within a short while again. So then when they face am game after game, they no dey reason wetin they dey for table or anything. All they know be say 10 games now remain. Who be our next game? Oya, who prepare for am, who kill am. There's also the praise Arteta say, say Arsenal never concede corner. Since when the season starts, we don't face more than 127 corners. We never concede 1 goal. So as Arteta can laugh, say, don't talk about that. Say, don't talk about that. No louder too much. People don't go here and now when they focus on us because one person will go thank for this feat. And then they call Nicolas Jova. I always mention this man because we need to give this man plenty accolades. We signed this man from Man City. He came here. He's a set piece coach. anything free kick, anything corner, na im duty, na im dey prepare the team, na im dey train them for training, let them know how they go take position. That is why now we are hard to beat through corner. Enter we get corner, they get confidence, say nothing dey happen, you no go enter. Easy to face more than 125 corner, you no concede one. No be beans na. Away from that, so because no say dem dey for media setting, they no wan make Ateta go. They come dey ask am the last question. They come talk say, so Baba, you know say now you don win a lot of fans over. Many people don dey chant your name, they don dey enjoy you. Now they follow you, anything you talk, they will do. How does that make you feel? So I think I want to say the history and culture and tradition of Arsenal is to win games, win or nothing. So we don't take draw no be anything. So we are used to winning, and that is what people will do. So as long as they continue to do anything they tell the fans or tell the owner, say buy this player, buy that player, they will always give am because they know say he gets what it takes to take Arsenal to the promised land. And the truth is say if Arsenal fit enter Champions League at the end of this season, it will make sense because don reach like 5 years we will never hear Champions League anthem. So it will make sense. So then play that anthem for Emirates. It will make sense, bro. So if you don't watch yesterday, you check the top left corner of your screen. You see the thumbnail. Click out so that you will get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So it's CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of the day. I get out.